America's farmlands, become very busy during harvest season. A variety of rich agricultural product harvesters, operating non-stop in the fields. Let's take a look together. How American farmers in 2024 harvest millions of tons of crops from the fields. Let's learn about garlic fields. Garlic is a crop with stable market demand and easy to grow on a large scale. It is suitable for growing in nutrient-rich and well-drained soil, since garlic can tolerate low temperatures, while in summer, it requires warmer temperatures of 20 to 38 degrees Celsius. Therefore, it is very suitable for temperate climates. California and Texas are among the United States' most important garlic-producing areas. Garlic plants. About a month before full maturity, small cloves will form. Some farmers harvest the young garlic at this time. It's a seasonal delicacy. The clove formation process of garlic depends on the hours of sunlight. It needs 12 hours of sunlight per day. Usually, garlic varieties take 9 to 10 months to grow and mature, but there are also some short-season varieties that can be harvested in just about 5 to 6 months. The garlic harvest season lasts from the end of June to August. Farmers will start harvesting when the garlic leaves begin to yellow and fall, but before they are completely dry. They will leave the bulbs in the ground for a few weeks, until the leaves turn brown. Then they dig them up. For large-scale garlic harvesting, farmers need to use mechanical harvesters, specialized vibrating plates. The garlic will be shaken to remove the soil, and then via a conveyor belt, it's transported to the harvester's storage bin. After the garlic is completely dry, farmers don't need to wash it. They just need to trim the roots and remove any dirt. The garlic is neatly stored in a cool place. The ideal temperature is around 13 to 14 degrees Celsius. As for watermelon, it is grown in more than 30 states in the U.S. Harvest season starts on the East Coast and extends west and north, continuing gradually. Peak season varies by region, but for most of the U.S., the best season for watermelon is from May to September. Watermelon harvest time varies by region and variety, usually between 100 to 120 days. Florida, Georgia, and California is the largest watermelon producing area in the United States. The total output of these three states is about 290,000 pounds. When you see the white spots on the watermelon rind turn yellow, when tapping the watermelon makes a hollow sound, it means the watermelon is ripe. Farmers will cut the watermelon by hand with a sharp tool. Be very careful, so as not to damage the fruit. Avoid skin scratches and rot. Harvesting is usually done in dry weather, and the fruit will gradually become lighter before harvesting. The leaves will also dry. After the watermelon is harvested, farmers will place the bottom down. To prevent sunburn, most watermelon fields will be harvested twice in one season. On average, each watermelon plant will harvest 2 to 3 fruits to maintain the best quality of watermelons and extend their shelf life. Farmers lay soft plants at the bottom of the field, licorice or straw, and control the temperature between 10 to 16 degrees Celsius. Sugarcane is mainly grown in Texas, Louisiana, and Florida, where about 50% of sugarcane sugar production comes from Florida, accounting for about 20% of total U.S. sugar consumption. Florida's sugarcane industry generates over $800 million in annual revenue and has a total economic value of over $1 billion. Mature sugarcane plants can reach up to 10 feet tall. Farmers use mechanical harvesters to harvest sugarcane between September and January. Mechanical harvesting helps reduce the average harvest time from 32 hours to just 6 to 12 hours. Increased harvest efficiency, increased farm yield and profit. Typically, farmers harvest sugarcane every 3 to 5 years. Louisiana averages about 68 inches of rainfall per year, creating harsh conditions. But the sugarcane harvest continues rain or shine. Sugarcane fields are often unbearable. Requires harvesters to be mounted on pencil bags instead of atoms that easily get stuck in the mud. Harvesters pass through sugarcane beds after cutting the sugarcane. Rotating mechanical arms separate the leaves from the sugarcane stalks. Then they continue to feed the sugarcane stalks into the cutter, cut into smaller chunks. When the harvester is full, sugarcane is transferred to trucks. Sugarcane leaves are pushed back into the field as fertilizer. Sugarcane harvesters can cut up to 60 tons per hour. Scientific advances have helped develop the sugarcane industry's regulations, scale, and production. As of 2024, U.S. sugarcane production is estimated to reach about 3.69 million tons. Alright friends, that's all for today's video. If you like it, please follow me. See you in the next episode. Bye-bye.